Scientific facts that were mentioned in the Quran way before they got discovered. The origin of the universe, brain anatomy, sun revolves its own orbit, the division of the two oceans, the formation of clouds, the internal waves and the depths of the ocean. In this quest for the purpose of life, many people have turned to religion. Most religions are based on books claimed by their followers to be divinely inspired without any proof. Islam is different because it is based upon reason and proof. There are clear signs that the book of Islam, the Quran, is the word of God Allah, and we have many reasons to support this claim. There are scientific and historical facts found in the Quran which were unknown to the people at the time and have only been discovered recently by contemporary science. The Quran is in a unique style of language that cannot be replicated. This is known as the inimitability of the Quran. So these facts were mentioned in the Quran 1400 years ago before the science proved them.